Hey guys, I'm Cancel, and today I'm going to show you how to do dual welding in Minecraft. And yeah, if you want to see the original method, this is by Fusion Droid. Then shout out to Fusion Droid. He's a famous Minecraft mcpe. Shout out to him. He teaches this method. I'm not copying you, Fusion Droid, but just to make it more VR. Like, if Fusion Droid, if you're watching this, I just wanted to make it more VR, so like your discovery can be more famous and found more. So Fusion Droid, shout out to you. I love you. You're the best Minecraft YouTuber. Okay, let's begin this video. So what do you need to do? First, you go to Minecraft Pocket Edition. Okay, I did. Yeah, I did that with 1 second. Let's just load. Yeah, this might take a while, so guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, you can see me. I'm in the game already. It's very simple. Just press play. Create new world. Just name your world something. I just want to say that, guys, we hit 20 subs. I made a video, you saw I exploded the TNT. Okay, so 20 subs, thanks for that. And now I have 21 subs. Subscribe to Nate Imagination, something his name is. Subscribe to him. Okay, so first, grab a diamond sword. And go to block to photograph. I may leave the link in the description. Then go to your world which you subscribed, which you made. So since my world name is YouTube, click on YouTube, click on this arrow, click. Okay, and yeah, before you click this arrow, you press go, remove your Minecraft, just remove this. Done. Then press that. Once you're done, it will show you all your coordinates and all where is where, what is where. Just show you spawn points, mobs and stuff. I think there is a village down there. I may get there later on. So yeah, you don't need to know this. Here you go. Don't click on this. Okay, click on this. Wait, I'll show you. You see these 3 arrows, the 3 lines. You see YouTube name. Start off with the 3 lines. Click on that. Go on single player in BT. Once you're done, it will show you something like the local player. And click on this red file. Now it will show you so many stuff. So you quickly slide. Now you will see a file, a orange file saying offhand. It is very easy to find it. Click offhand. 1 second, I'll come, guys. Okay, my mom was screaming for my sister. Then click on offhand. Once you click on offhand, 1 second. Sorry, I paused mistakenly. Okay, once you clicked on offhand, yeah, I'll be right. And okay, I'm back. So Stephen, if you're seeing this, I need to use the Minecraft intro because I love that intro. So Stephen, please don't get mad at me tomorrow. Tomorrow in school, don't get mad at me, please. Please, Stephen, please. I beg you. Okay, after I begged, we'll click on that. You will see something called this B count, damage and ID. If you see item ID, the total one time ID is 450. You click on that. Once you cancelled it, you type 276. You know why? 276 has a diamond sword ID. That's a diamond sword ID. Once you're done, click back, then do this. Click the save type thing you see in this. Click that. Do you really want to save your changes? Yes, okay. Then it will say save NBT. Once you're done, I'm sorry, there is a lot of pausing now. You go into your Minecraft and I done this. Okay, so it might take a while now. I'll beat you again back. Then, okay, now I want to show you in 3, 2, 1. You can't fix this, but you can still use a hand to fight. Just to show. Your game gets laggy and crashes. Yeah, your game gets laggy if you swing your sword. So, hope you liked it. Yeah, please Android again. Shout out to you, Stephen. Please don't get mad because I used this intro. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on next time. Bye bye. And yeah, one more thing. If you want to learn how to get my background, you see, as I tilt my phone, it shakes. And yeah, if you want to know how to get that, I'll say you in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, and don't tell me if it's a short video. I know it's a short video. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys on next time. Bye.